Hello, people. This is Devanshi from Color Crates, and here I am with this beautiful painting up on the wall. It's a lovely 5 feet by 5 feet painting. It's called an intuitive painting in shades of purple, blue, and silver and magenta. And it's intuitive. Why? Because this is what you feel at that point of time, and you create with your mind with a little bit of research. Definitely something that you should look forward to doing. The best art therapy for an individual, and of course it's been created with rollers and with bare hands, so you should definitely let colors have a feel and touch. So to learn this and understand more about it for this kind of art therapy, connect with me on Instagram, color crates _ the hobby art studio, and do follow me on my YouTube channel, Color Crates, the hobby art studio. I'm gonna see you around. See you.